Hi! Hi, Ray! You're done? You're done already? How about Sean? Hi, Sean! Oh, that's car. Okay, you want to ride the car? Huh? Buti natapos si Sean na agad. No, si Sean. Sean. Hi, Sean. Embrace Sean.
인사해야지. 안녕하세요. 태권. 오, 잘했어요. 친구 잘했어요. 잘했어요.
Yay! Oh, no. The usual yung mga bata. No, don't remove. Tingnan mo sila, oh. Hindi nila tinanggal yung socks nila. Hi, Ray. Oh. Oh, Sophia, careful. Excuse me, Sophia. Very cold. Nagsuot ka kasi ng socks. Ayan, no, sir. Look at Ray. Yeah, Sophia. Sean. Play with Sean. Please. Oh, play with Sean, oh. See? Turuan mo siya Sean mag-jump, oh. Hi. 12 midnight up to 12 noon. Ayo. School na ba sila? O, turuan mo si Sean. Mag-jump down. Sean?
Gusto si Francis. Ano pa lang yan eh.
5 kasi ito. 2. Magti-3 pa lang by August. So, parang mas bata pa masyado. Oh, jump. Oh, jump, Sean. Don't. Jump.
Ayaw niya, gusto lang niya yung
Bike. Sophia, no. Nasugat ka na dyan. Ayayay ka na dyan. No. No, masusugat ka na naman dyan. Ako, kukunin ko lang yan. Maraming ball doon. Hi. Hello. How are you? Hey, 안녕하세요. Yeah. English. No. Okay. Little kids. Ayaw niya. Ayaw ni Sean.
picture bit na lang soon. Thermal. We're going to go on 3:30.
Oh my God.